Hi, and welcome to this Casambi tutorial. The site feature allows multiple Casambi networks to be simultaneously controlled. You can control directly from the app by creating site-wide scenes or through configuration of site timers. For example, a building with multiple floors might have separate networks for each floor. A site timer could be created to switch all corridor lights on all floors to a dimmed level at a specific time of day. In order to use the site feature, it first needs to be enabled in the Casambi app settings, and you also need to create a site account. You only need to create this once, as the same login credentials can be used to log in future. To create a new site or access an existing one that you've previously created, go to Change Site. Each network to be used must already be shared and have an internet gateway enabled. When creating a new site, first add the networks required. Networks with gateways enabling remote access are shown with the cloud icon next to their name. You'll of course only be able to add networks to which you have access rights. After adding the first network, you can add subsequent networks by pushing the plus. When all networks have been added, you can create site-level scenes and timers in the same way as for a standard Casambi network. When creating scenes, the only additional step is that you first have to select the network before selecting the luminaires to use in the scene. Luminaires from multiple networks can be included in the same scene. You can add more users to a site, but each user must first have their own valid site account. Users can be added from the privileges option, and their level of access can be defined. A user, which is the default setting, can use the site or networks but can't make modifications. A manager can use the site or networks, modify settings but not assign privileges to other accounts. An admin can modify all the settings and assign other account privileges. It's recommended that changes to a network shouldn't be made once it's been added to a site. In addition, it's not possible to use sensors or Casambi-enabled switches to trigger a site-level scene. This is because Casambi-enabled devices require direct Bluetooth connection to a network, and all site connections to networks are made via internet gateways. If required, you can delete a site from the site setup section. This only has the effect of deleting the site itself and its scenes and timers. It doesn't have any effect on the networks themselves. They'll still be accessible and operate normally locally. Further information can be found from our support website and in our app user guide. You can also sign up for our free online training courses on our website. Thanks for watching.